Today we're going to talk about DreamUP the AI by DeviantArt. Hello my friends, how are you doing? So DeviantArt is a platform like Artlist. It's mostly focused on sketching and digital painting, but you will also find photography and 3D renders and all kinds of stuff on there. And they have an online shop where you can sell your artworks, people can commission you, and they can also subscribe to you as a supporter of your art. So all of that is pretty cool. Now their main claim for the AI was that they want to have an AI that is more fair, because they had a big discussion with their community if they should allow AI art at all and how the artists feel toward using their works in the model. So they said, well, we will only use images from artists who have consented to the usage. And that's a pretty cool concept. And also, all of the AI creations are automatically tagged as AI art, so if you don't want to see them, you can filter them out with no problem. And I feel like so far these are all pretty nice points. Now let's look at the actual way they built this. When you get started, you get 5 free prompts. I feel like that is not exactly much to try out the ability of an AI. Maybe 15 would be better, or 20. But the good thing is that you can explore the gallery where people have submitted their work to see what kind of results and quality they are getting. This is similar to Stable Diffusion, maybe not quite as good, and not even close to the quality you will get from Midjourney. So from the aesthetical point of view, it's kind of an average quality offering at the moment, but I'm sure they will improve over time. Now let's look at the process on how this is actually going to work. When you are on this page, you can enter your text prompt here, and that is already it. It will always output square images. There is no ratio setting, there is no step setting, you can't select the model you want to use, there is no in-painting or out-painting, and also no video animations or GIF you can create with the AI. Right now it is just images and that's it. The good thing here is that all of the images you create are upscaled to max resolution, and that you get several images per prompt. Of course, because they said they're not going to use artists without their consent to train the model, I tried immediately these artists. And you can see here from my results for trying images with the artist names Wallop, Greg Rutkowski and Studio Ghibli, you get images that are in a similar style, which means that the AI at least understands these names and can create images even if they are maybe not trained on these images. So as you can see from the AI experience right now, the abilities are a little bit bare bones. But let's have a look at the pricing. How does that work? Because it's not for free. They have 4 different plans going from Core, Core Plus, Pro to Pro Plus, and reaching from $4 a month up to $15. Now for $4 a month you get 50 prompts per month, and as a Midjourney and Stable Diffusion user, I can tell you you're gonna use that up in probably half an hour when you get started trying around with your prompts. For $15 you only get 300 prompts. Again, that doesn't sound like much. On top of that, with the lower tiers, Core and Core Plus, you only get 3 images per prompt, while with the Pro and Pro Plus tiers, you get 4 images per prompt. And when you want to buy additional prompts here, it becomes a bit crazy, because with the lowest tier, it costs you 20 points each prompt, but with the highest tier, it only costs 5 points per prompt, which is a saving of 75%. So you better be rich to save. Now, if all this pricing seems a little bit over the top, this clears up when you start to understand that these plans are actually the premium plans for using DeviantArt, because DeviantArt is not just a platform for hosting your artworks and creating AI images, but they also have an online shop where you can sell premium downloads, you can give commissions, and you can also have subscriptions. And when you know that, the pricing makes a lot more sense. Also, the other options that are included, like the max price for sellers, the subscription and content platform fees, as well as the other functions for your earnings, for monetization, and for your submissions. Which in essence means as a classic premium subscriber of DeviantArt, you get the AI functions basically for free as a nice add-on. And from that perspective, that is pretty cool. Also, when we look at the copyright, they say that you can use your works privately and commercially, no problem, even though they point out that the copyright protection might be questionable in some jurisdictions because, of course, every country around the planet has different kinds of laws. Now let's come to a point where things get a little bit crazy. When you want to upload your AI images to your profile, which is called Submit as a Deviation, you're met with this page. And you also need to use this page if you want to sell your AI art with the advanced options for premium downloads. Now you can enter here a title and a description, you can upload additional media, you can add text to your work, and so far all of that is pretty cool. But here comes the crazy thing, you are required to reference the artist that you're using in your prompt, and when you click on yes, you're seeing these fields here with a pop-down menu that includes artist, model, object, and character. Now, if you want to do this for every artist and every object and character you're using in your AI images to submit them to the platform, and below that it even suggests to add locations like Never Neverland, Gotham City, and Paris. So you kind of need to have an accountant to be able to do all of that. And personally, what I don't understand is this information is part of the prompt anyways, which is included here and cannot be changed. So why the additional work? A good thing here though is that you can mark it as major content, which means that major content is allowed on the platform. And also in the automatically added tags, it is called AiArt. I find that's a pretty nice touch. Additionally, down here you can add your works to custom galleries where you sort them for a theme, and also for the publishing options you can allow comments and allow sharing. So you have a lot of control over how you want to present the works you publish on your profile. Let me know in the comments what you think about DreamUP, leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. See you soon, bye! Oh, you're still here. So this is the end screen. There's other stuff you can watch like this or that. It's really cool. And yeah, I hope I see you soon. Leave a like if you haven't yet. And well, yeah.